Welcome everyone. This is my very first video on this channel, so thank you for being here. Today I'm going to take you through my journey of creating Geometry Dash level roulette. And yes, I built the whole thing inside a code.org app lab. I was sitting in my intro to AI class when we got assigned a new project. The only rule, we had to include some form of AI. So obviously my brain went, time to make something unnecessarily complicated. I thought, yeah, that sounds easy enough. Spoiler, it wasn't easy. My plan was simple. Make a system that can pick random Geometry Dash levels, make the UI look somewhat decent, and then sprinkle a bit of AI so it actually counts as an AI project. Firstly, I started an MIT App Inventor, but it was really hard to use and I couldn't test it. After suffering for 3 days trying to figure out how to use it, I gave up. Here's all the progress I made in MIT App Inventor for the past 3 days. But then I remember code.org exists. On the 14th of November, I added the toggle for difficulties, totally typed all of this, definitely not AI assisted, nope, not at all. On the 15th, I procrastinated and I removed the auto. On November 16th or 21st, I collected a lot of data. First, I copied the level IDs and names, then typed out the creators' names myself. Pretty quickly, I realized it was gonna take forever, so I made 2 websites to speed things up. Of course, I also made a macro because I'm lazy. Technically, it's still me doing the work, I'm just holding down F2. After a few hours of doing this, I finished all the difficulties. From November 22nd through the 24th, I added the scrolling feature for the roulette screen, and I created some more UI design for the roulette screen. On November 25th to 30th, I did basically nothing, and it was Turkey Day. School was closed and I also have a job. Yeah, I did nothing last week. Time to step up the grind and log in. First, I finished placing all the 100 boxes and labels for a roulette screen and added a way for seeds to be generated. On December 2nd through the 4th, I basically was polishing the app, fixing bugs, and tweaking stuff. Remember when I said I had to put some sort of AI in it? The only rule? We had to include some form of AI. So instead of trying to make an AI that chooses levels based on the difficulty you've played, which, let's be real, was way out of my league and could cause security risks since the app was open sourced, I made a guide generated by AI. Now people can get helpful info safely without me breaking the whole thing. As for bugs, I fixed the wrong label showing when people get the wrong seed. Fixed the bug where you can spam the start button and generate tons of random seeds. This also stops anyone from getting rate limited. After pressing the enter button, you are sent to the settings screen. The settings screen is where you set the seed and difficulty. If you select the difficulty without entering a seed, it will automatically generate a new seed for you to share. The seed I'm importing here is one I created earlier. On the roulette screen, you need to enter a number that is higher than the number shown in the input box. When the number reaches 100, 2 buttons will appear: view rest and go back. Their functionalities are straightforward. Click the question mark or info icon will show additional details. If you click the seed, a pop-up will appear displaying the seed so you can easily copy it, similar to the example image. I hope this clears things up. This video wouldn't have been possible without GD Colon. Thank you, GD Cole. Thank you, Basically Homeless and Cowboy, for being my inspiration. The app link is in the description for anyone who wants to check it out. That's all for this video, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my devlog. Also, drop a comment below on what I should make next. I might just make it. Have a great day.